Alright, so if you guys didn't know or watch the other videos I posted the other day, my Xbox power cord has gone to shit. So I'm going to show you how I usually fix the problem or keep it from happening. Like it overheats and shit, so I'm going to show you how you do it. But first, I have to get the fucking Xbox out of my backpack. My fucking room's a mess. Fucking Dr. Pepper. All for me. Alright. Yeah, fuck it. Smart. Roll with Red Seal. This bitch. I wonder if Skyrim's still in the game. That's Modern Warfare 3. Alright. Gotta connect this. Nothing else is in there. My beautiful controller. Alright. So let's get started hooking this bitch up. First things first, open up this goddamn window. It's nice and cold outside. Probably about 27 degrees. I can feel it too. Fuck. Alright, next, HDMI cable. Alright, there we go. I think it's in. Now, we shut this a good bit. Listen to that thing roar. The signal. English. Okay, what the fuck? Hold up. There we go. Wasn't plugged in the whole way. HDMI cable. Well, this is basically just how I solved the problem from it overheating. See, the air outside just fucking cools it down when it gets too hot. Let's get my fucking controller real quick. Let's plug it in because this got to charge. It's a new one. Wrestling. Sorry about having this, like, a shitty camera job. Trying to do everything with, like, one hand. Sometimes it just doesn't work out that way. Alright. Alright. Where the fuck's my... Oh, guess this is it. Test connection. Probably since I connected to my friend's Wi-Fi, I gotta connect to this or mine now. Fuck. Scanning for wireless networks. Well, it doesn't matter. Because I'm gonna let you guys go. I'll post a video whenever this shuts down, basically. Deuces.